first day of spring classes. So yeah, I have an aerobics class today. It's my only class, and then later on I think I'm just gonna buy books and stuff. My class starts at 9:25. It's like 8:50 something. I'm gonna wear just some pink workout looking pants and this here AUM shirt. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna wear. I'm on my way to class. I have to go down the stairs, then walk across the street. I checked the weather. They said it's 37 degrees outside. So before I only had this on, so I added a scarf and another jacket. Grab my water, and yeah. I also had to clean my shoes because they were just too dirty to wear out. So clean my shoes. So they're not all the way clean. I really need to throw them in the washer. Okay. I figured it would be easier to just come to the other side of my floor, walk down all the stairs, and walk outside rather than take the elevator. I don't know why. Just thought it was better. I don't know.
1 hour later.
Bruh. 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 I'm tired. It's raining outside. I was not prepared. We actually worked out, which, you know, I expected to work out, but bruh. I feel like this was a whole waste of a good face wash, a good everything. But I'm about to make me some eggs because I need some nutrients now. I am depleted. Depleted. I'm warming up a pan right now. Whoa. I'm about to make some eggs with cheese. And I think is that all? It's really not much in here. Ooh, I might make it fancy. Nutritious. Green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, onion in my eggs. Okay, we have the eggs, some butter in here, salt and pepper. So 2 eggs. I cut up 2 like little slices of bell pepper, some onion. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. I'm literally making stuff up as I go. Whoa. Yeah, I just made it unhealthy, but it's okay. It smells good though. Okay, y'all, so here it is. It actually isn't bad. It's just bell peppers and onions in here. Honestly, I really like the crunch, you know? It doesn't even taste bad. But you know something? My cousin used to eat like eggs that had like red peppers and like green stuff in it, and I used to hate it when I was little, but I kind of like it now. Me being a fatty, I looked at my fridge and me and my friends went to Applebee's last night, and I was like, leftovers, so I'm gonna eat those too. Hola, I don't know why I still have this bun. I need to do a video on my nose piercing experience, but ew. See, if I had my nose piercing right then, that would have hurt so bad. Like, I would literally be in tears, because that's the main reason why my nose piercing wasn't healing properly. It's because I would always, like, my glasses would come down on my piercing, and it just would hurt so bad because I had a screw. So this screw is like twisted up in your nose, and then you pull that, then it's like, it's not gonna come out, but it's like, but anyway, it's healing nicely. Like, it's almost completely healed. This thing was huge. Like, it would get infected so much, just like little bumps and stuff on it. That's neither here nor there. I said I need to do a video. I'm gonna do a video. But anyway, I'm about to get ready to get my stuff together for classes. So Monday, the first day of classes for spring. So last night at Walmart, me and my friends bought some items for school. So I only bought 1 binder. Normally I use the same binder and I just switch all the papers out. But I decided to upgrade this year. So I got this pink binder from Walmart. It was like $3.36. So here's the binder. So this is the binder, and yeah, I went to church yesterday, so that's why I see my church notes in there. But anyway, so I got the binder, and I also bought 4 folders. I'm taking 4 classes. Normally I just do dividers, which I still have a bunch of dividers, so I may use those too, because I like to keep my what do you call it, my syllabus in like the front of the divider. I got 4 of these little things right here. And these were 37 cents, so just like little folders that go inside your binder. So I got this color, a green, an orange, and a black. I really didn't want the green or the orange, but it was the only 4 like they had. So I also got 2 packs of college roll paper and a calculator from my accounting class. So I don't go to the accounting class tomorrow, and she said that all we needed was a 10-key calculator. So I'm gonna go in there with this in a box like, is this okay? Is this okay? And yeah, this is pretty much all of the supplies that I bought. I have a whole drawer full of pens and stuff. Top drawer is pencils and like highlighters, and then the second drawer is all pens. So I didn't need any of that stuff. So, and there's like more pens and pencils over there. So this is like my study desk where I will be studying a lot of the time. That's my printer. I'm about to print off my syllabus. And yeah, I'm about to print off all 4 of my little syllabus. And I'm gonna print this one off right now. So yeah, got 1 class printing out right now. That was pretty cool. So 3 more to go. And I'm trying to see if I can get a deal on these books. I was just gonna, normally I just rent my books online, but one of the RAs here, she has 2 books that I need. And first she was like 50 for 1 book, and then another book she was like 125. So I asked her how much did she want from together, and she was like 150. And I was like, well, I found both the books online for 80. Would you take 100? So waiting for her to get back to me, because think about it, 80 to rent or 100 to own. So I'm trying to see, but let me print out the rest of my syllabuses. Syllabi, is that what you say? Okay, so my second class is macroeconomics, and yeah, what I love is that he just like, yo, these exams, have them done by this date. Wait, what? That's obviously a typo. No syllabus. Okay, nothing at all. All right, so yeah, this one just has exams. So go to another course. Now, I do like when my online teacher teaches, because it just helps me get to know the teacher better. But my hardest classes, I'm thinking, are going to be my accounting classes, which is my major. So I'm taking Intro to Managerial Accounting, and then I'm taking Intermediate Accounting 1. I'm also taking Business Stats 2. I took the last one last year. I made a B in that class. It's the only class I made a B in. I'm a little nervous about my accounting classes. Not really the managerial, but the intermediate. Okay, here's the syllabus. I have to register for Wiley Plus. I forgot. This is where the bulk of my money about to be spent, which is the most expensive part. Like, the book isn't the issue, but look, 158, 210, online only. The girl about to hit that online only. If she give a syllabus in class, I'm gonna be mad. You know, I might not print out her syllabus because I feel like she's gonna have one in class. So apparently only 2 of my teachers have syllabus up, and my managerial accounting teacher has nothing on his blackboard, so I have to wait until 2:10 to see what's that about. Yeah. I wonder if I should print this out. Okay, my intermediate accounting teacher, which she's a really good, thorough teacher. Like, I had her for accounting, for financial accounting, but this is like the next class, and I don't know anything about the next class. So she said something. Good morning. Let me see what she said this morning. Good morning. We will hit the ground running tomorrow's class covering chapter 0, which is not in your text, but you can find it on Blackboard, where I have downloaded the text for you. Please print it out and or review the material before coming to class tomorrow. Bruh, the text was like 100 pages. Well, let me see, 100 times 10 cents. I'm not using my printer. That's $10 already, fam. $10 in printer money. Bruh, it just started. I might as well print it out, because I hate looking at stuff on my computer. I'd rather have the book in front of me. And that's it. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna put these syllabus inside these folders, and honestly I'm just gonna take a nap because I'm tired. Like, hey guys, so update on the book situation. We can just mute the TV. I'm tired guys, it's a long walk. So yeah, I got this econ book, which I'm only gonna need it for one more class, but plot twist, she ended up just saying, hey, she'll take $80 for both of the books, which is what I would have paid to rent them. So now I own them for the same price. So kudos to me. And yeah, I got the Principle of Economics. This class starts at like chapter 18 or something like that. And yeah, it's like 36 freaking chapters in this book, fam. Like, ugh. But now I own it for the price I would have paid to rent. So anyway, I also bought the intermediate accounting book from her, but she had the binder version, which I mean it's the same thing. I don't really mind too much. Just looks like this, intermediate accounting, and she did tell me that she wrote a lot in it, and that's kind of another reason. Well, she already been told me she wrote in it, but I was like, cool, you know, to me in my head that's like more notes that I don't have to write. But yeah, so she lowered the price because she was just like, you know, I wrote a lot in it, so just I'll take $80. So I was like, cool. Pretty much this class I'm taking this semester is only going to cover up to like chapter 7. This is going to be like all the work right here that we're going to do for this class, and then for the next 2 classes, intermediate 2 and intermediate 3, is where we'll discuss the rest of the book. So I'm happy, you know, I'm very happy. I have more books to add to my book collection. I have a bunch of books over there. I'm looking for my book that I need. So this is the last book that I have to get. I have 3 of my books. Okay, so I talked about this on my Snapchat, but I'll tell you guys as well. Some of my favorite places to get books from are velourbooks.com. Chegg, everybody knows about Chegg, but this one was really expensive on Chegg, $84. Velour has it for $44. Netbooks is not available. Okay, yeah, so Netbooks is another one, netbooks.com. And my other one is Textbook Rush. Now, you know, Amazon has, you know, they sell books and things as well, but I'm a book person. Like, I like to feel and have the book in hand. That's just me. Especially for online class, I don't know, it's just me, okay? But so yeah, I found it on Textbook Rush for the cheapest price of $25. So I'm gonna rent it because your girl needs it, fam. Look, I need the book, fam. Funny is, I literally just sent this book back. I paid $51 last semester, and I ordered it from the same site, so it's good that I'm getting it for $25, so half the price in the spring. So Textbook Rush is bomb. So from Netbooks, I was gonna buy these 2 books that I just bought from the girl. You see, Intermediate Accounting, Principle of Economics, and these were just to rent, and my total was $79. I paid $80 and I owned them, so that's the difference.
Day 2.
So we're on day number 2. I just printed out chapter 0, which I told y'all, did I tell you it was like 100 copies? But boom, I have $39.50 left of printer money. But I figured I have the book, so this was probably the only thing we're gonna have to print besides like homework problems. Can y'all see me? Anyway, 100 pages right here. Class starts at class starts at 12:45, and I'm on my way there.
1 hour later.
So I got out of class like 15 minutes early, and class was good actually. Like, I'm excited about being stressed out because I just know how my class is gonna go. But I think my teacher's cool. Teacher's cool. Now I'm about to go get some fries and some coffee because my next class is at 2:10. So generally I won't have a break because I'll be going from one class to the next, but I'm gonna grab some coffee. I won't get out till like 3, so yeah. Oh, off on my floor. Get this key. Okay guys, so classes are now over. I can't get my door open. I actually like my classes, and yeah, I'm gonna do something called Save First. It's a taxation preparation training, but it's volunteer. So basically do taxes for low-income families. And I asked my professor today, I asked her, yeah, did she think I should do it? And I asked her, do you think that me not having that many accounting classes under my belt, that I'll be able to get an internship? And she was like, probably something with the state. And I was like, would you be interested? And I was like, yeah. So hopefully, you know, maybe your girl might have an internship. She said it won't be very like, advanced in the fact that, you know, I'll be doing legit accounting work, but we'll talk about it, and maybe something with the state. So that's fine with me. Look, I'll do some secretary work. What y'all need? So that's 2 things, and I think I'm gonna join the accounting club. And it's hot. But yeah, guys, Wiley Plus gives you a 2-week grace period. Even though I have the money to pay for like at this moment and yesterday, your girl is gonna wait until 2 weeks to purchase the real access code. And what else? Let's see. So I had Wiley Plus last year, and we used the same book. So basically somebody told me you register for the class in Wiley Plus, but you don't have to buy the code again. I'm like, yo, I'm just happy, fam. So now I need to make sure. Can y'all see me? So I didn't even eat my fries. So I ended up buying fries and queso. I didn't even eat it in class because I don't want to be that person. I think y'all can see me. Okay, so I'm about to see, is this legit? What she's saying. So they said you just register for the course. That Cardi B song is stuck in my head. That person was correct. Who don't gotta spend $100? Who don't gotta spend it? Me, 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 me. Okay, I've been annoying now. Hey, I'm registered. Hey, I'm registered. I only have to spend $140 one time. You guys don't know what this means to me. Okay, I'm done. Everything worked out. I have all my books. One is on the way, but it's for online class, so it doesn't matter. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video of me just preparing for the first 2 days of class. If you guys want to see more videos like this where I'm talking about how school is going, the courses I'm taking, if something's difficult or something, let me know, and I will do more kind of college focused into my major videos. Is that a series title? Into my major? I don't know, but we'll talk about it. So let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and after you subscribe, make sure to turn on post notifications so you can be notified when your girl uploads a video. And if you really enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up, leave me comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.